The first Agile Manifesto says that individuals and interactions over processes and tools. So what is the manifesto saying? It is saying that though we value our processes, our Scrum processes, our different events, the different processes that we have in place to ensure that we work well together, though we value all of that, we value the tools that we use, our Jira boards and all of that, we value even more the interactions that are happening and the individuals that are involved. I want to encourage that we should pay more attention to the individuals who are getting this job done and to the interactions that they are having, because these interactions ensure alignment. This interaction ensures that people understand the vision, people understand what is it that the customer actually needs, so that they can continuously inspect and adapt until the end product is delivered to the customer. So yes, individuals and interactions over processes and tools. And the second manifesto, it says that working software over comprehensive documentation. So yeah, though we value documentation, though we value the fact that we should document certain things so people can always go back to refresh their memory or to be able to fill in for someone else, we want to also ensure that we're valuing the working software. Because if the software is not working, then what is it that we're doing as a team, right? So we want to ensure that we have a working software at every point in time. Our customers, our users should be able to log into a system and be able to use it seamlessly. So yes, no matter everything else that is important that we're doing, we value even more the working software. That's why in every organization that you work for, every organization, if the system is not working as it should, if the system is down, it's a big issue. So we want to ensure at every point in time that we have a working software for our customers. The next one here is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. We want to make sure that, whatever we have on our contracts, we are following it. We're respecting our contracts, but guess what? We even value more the collaboration with our customers, right? Why is this important? Why do we want to make sure that we're communicating and collaborating with our customers? This is because it is very important. We want to stay in alignment. We want to ensure that at the end of the day, at the end of every sprint, we are delivering what the customer needs, what the customer requires at the set time. So a lot of times the team can be delivering software incrementally, but if you're not delivering what the customer wants at this time, and then it becomes worrisome, right? So the customer should be communicating with you and letting you understand their needs at that time, so that the teams can advise, or the company can advise on the estimated time that it can be delivered. So we need to constantly stay in alignment so that the customer can also give feedback about whatever functionality that has been delivered, so that way the organization can make sure that delivering what they need at the set time, right? So this is very, very important to ensure that we're constantly collaborating with our customers. The fourth manifesto is responding to change over following a plan. This is a big one, right? We know a lot of times we'll say, oh, we don't want our sprints to be interrupted and all of that. Guess what? There's another side of it. If we have a breakdown in our system and our customers are not able to access our system, of course, that is a very high priority, and we can definitely interrupt the sprint to be able to ensure that we have a working software, right? So it all boils down to what is the priority at the moment. Yes, we want to keep our sprint go intact. We want to keep our sprint uninterrupted, but the manifesto is saying that we should be able to respond to changes over just following the plan. We definitely want to follow a plan, but it should be based on priority. Let's say, for example, we have 2 days left in our sprint and something comes up that definitely can be picked up in the next or the upcoming sprint. Of course, we can hold on interrupting our sprint so that our developers and QAs can wrap it up before picking the other item up. But if it's an emergency, if it's a high severity or a high urgency item, we 100% it's okay to interrupt our sprints and get that across. So Agile wants us to be flexible. That is unfortunately part of the manifesto. So yes, I just thought to share my thoughts about how, working in the real world and some of this manifesto, how you can interpret it and continuously encourage your teams to be able to do the rightful, right? And also advise on the best practices. I hope this is helpful. If it's valuable to you, please go ahead and like our content and subscribe and leave a comment for us in the comment section. Thank you so much.